Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. For today's video, I'm going to try the new release from Pat McGrath. These are the Celestial Odyssey Luxe Quad. Included in the collection is the Skin Fetish Sublime Skin Highlighter. I also got the Mega palette from Pat McGrath. This is the Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey. These are part of her holiday collection. I got them for you guys. Here's the video. I already took a peek and I love this highlighter. This one is the highlighter Lunar Nude. It's so special. It has a gold packaging. So pretty. And inside, it looks so stunning. Wow, look at that. For Swatch Queen, just perfect for me. I love this palette. Although I don't like the sticker at the back, I really want her to bring back plaque, engraved plaque at the back. Also, the emblem in front, you know, the Pat McGrath emblem. I'm going to give you guys the real tea. Everything I say in this channel is real. Morphe Jeffree Star JS4. It's so pretty. You don't want to use it. It's so perfect too. I was wowed with Pat McGrath's highlighter formula. The last time that she released one, it was so pretty. So I think this one is gonna be pretty too. Wow, okay. Okay, I'm not wearing a lot of makeup right now. It's just a natural look. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm not even wearing concealer. Also, I'm wearing tinted foundation. So pretty. Okay, I like this. It is very unusual highlighter because I can see blue specks. If you really look at it, micro, I can see blue and it's so pretty and I like it. It's a cool kind of highlighter. Champagne gold mixed with blue glitters. It's not even glitters, it's blue shimmer. And it's micro glitter. It is not very glittery, it is very shimmery. And I like the formula. It is so nice, it's so good. This is a must buy. I highly recommend it. It's so good. And I haven't seen any highlighter like this has blue specks. It's so cute. And I think it's gonna be very appropriate for winter. For Christmas, oh, it's very cool. I think the last time that I've seen a highlighter that has blue specks is from Jeffree Star. This one is a very sophisticated way of putting blue shimmer in a highlighter. The Jeffree Star is good too, but this one has a very interesting formula. I like this product very much. Highly recommended. This one is the Lunar Nude Skin Fetish Sublime Skin Highlighter by Pat McGrath. We're going to try on the eyeshadow quads. This one is the Celestial Odyssey Luxe Quad Bronze Borealis. And this one is the Celestial Odyssey Luxe Quad in Deep Space Divinity. I don't know which one we're gonna try. Let's try both of them. Ooh. Okay. This one is the bronze one. From the pictures online, I thought this was going to be a cool tone palette, but it's a very warm palette. There is no special formula in this one, and also I noticed that the pans are incredibly smaller than the usual Luxe quads that she releases every year. Yeah, I'm very disappointed because those quads are very famous for her special shade, special shadows, but she doesn't have it here. No, she doesn't have it in this one either. So both quads don't have the special formula. I don't know what's up with that. And this is $54. It's just getting cheaper. She also omitted the engraved plaque at the back and the emblem in front. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. Blitz Astral, and it has an engraved plaque at the back. Really nice. The emblem there in front. It's not even printed. It's really in there. And these are the special shades. They're all special shades, 4 of them. This is the new quads now, and these are significantly smaller. I don't know what's going on with Pat McGrath. Even the pants are different now. Compared to the older ones, this release is cheaper. This one, she omitted the engraved plaque, but she kept the emblem. 2 special shades, but she changed her pan, visible pan now. 1.1 gram, 2 grams for each shadow. The release before the new ones, which is the Luxe Quad Voyeuristic Vixen. So again, no engraved plaque. The emblem is still there. She has 2 special shades here. Not bad, right? This one is still large, 2 grams. No, this is also significantly went down. This is 4.9 grams for all of them. And this one is 4.4 grams. So maybe this one is deeper and shallow pans. There's an emblem at least. There's none. $58, $54. Yikes, what's going on? Special shades are what Pat McGrath is known for and what people love about her brand. I don't know what's going on, guys. Tell me what's going on. I miss the 4 special formulas, 4 special shadows in one quad. Let's bring this back. I'm going to swatch them for you guys. Formula is not bad at all. Even the matte swatched incredibly well. Wow. Okay. The formula, that is Pat McGrath standards. Okay, let's swatch this one. Deep Space Divinity. Okay, I think this one is more special than the other one. You guys, this is good. Don't look at my surgery. There we go. They're very shiny. All right, guys, first I'm going to use this shadow here. It's called Mink Dust. I'm gonna get a smaller brush, put the same shade on my lid, all over my lid. Go back with the blending brush and blend the edges. I'm going to use the shimmer colors, but before that I'm going to put the Pat McGrath Labs IntensifEYES Artistry Wand. This is eye makeup intensifier eyeshadow primer, or a mixing medium in a stick. Put this all over my lid. I'm going to use the shade. This one is Sienna Rose. You know what? I'm gonna use my finger. Next, I'm going to use this shade. This one is Cyber Bronze. Put that here in front over Sienna Rose. And then lastly, I'm going to use this shade. This one is Lunar Legend, inner corner of my eyes. I'm also going to use this shade under my brows. Like so. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eye. I'm going to tight line with Pat McGrath Labs. This one is the PermaGel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil in Extreme Black. And also a tight line under. Okay, halfway. My favorite mascara from Pat McGrath. This is the FetishEYES mascara. Using my Pat McGrath eyeliner, liquid liner. Alright guys, so this is the finished eye look. For my lipstick, I'm going to use, I have the new color from Eldridge. This one is the Velvet Blush Lightly. I feel like my eyebrows are really light, so I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. I'm gonna put a little bit of color. I really want to put something gold on my brows right now, but I couldn't find my gold mascara that I got from Tokyo. I've been saving it for a video like this. I want to create an edgy look. I'm also going to use the lip liner from Eldridge. This is the Blush Lightly lip liner. Okay, I love it. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. All right, guys, so this is the look for today. No concealer. I'm itching if I should put concealer, but no, I want to expose my freckles. It's so cute. This is the look. I hope you guys love it. I really want to try these lashes. This was sent to me. Thank you so much, True Beauty Lashes, for sending these lashes to me. This one is in Gold Digger, G-O-A-L, Gold Digger. It's a Gold Digger. These are well packed, super nice. Luxe lashes. They're super light too. Wow. Okay. All right, guys, so these are the lashes. I love them. They are very light. They're very comfortable for a dramatic lash. These are so comfortable. Again, this one is from True Beauty Lashes. They're very luxe lashes. And the packaging, they're not cheap at all. These lashes are very luxe for the price. Check them out. True Beauty Lashes. I'm going to link their website in the description box if you guys are interested. Great way to support small businesses and woman-owned business. All right, so this is the look, guys. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. My freckles, they're so cute. I hope you guys love it, even though I'm not wearing any concealer and just a little bit of foundation. I'm really loving my skin, and this is a very good representation that you can wear a dramatic eye look without using a lot of face makeup, tons of face makeup. It's so pretty. I like it. I love it. Wow. For my review, Pat McGrath Labs, these quads, these new quads, I don't recommend them. I think that the quality and the formula doesn't justify the price. This is getting cheap now. I'm sorry to say, but I am a fan of Pat McGrath, but not for this one. I hope they bring back the older special shades, special formula quads. I am going to return them. But I would keep the highlighter. The highlighter is so pretty. It is expensive too. I will put the price right up here, but it is so cute. It has blue flecks, blue shimmer that is very unique and pretty, and I think that this is worth your money. I am going to create another video for the Mega Palette. I'm going to show you. So have older Mega Palette. I think this one has better formula though, and the colors, it's so cute. I haven't swatched it, but I can see some special shades here, like this one right here. That's kind of special. All right, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I hope you guys love this video, even though I'm not wearing any concealer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Have a great day, guys.